Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we're unboxing a flagship product from the legacy of Logitech mice. This is the G502 X LIGHTSPEED wireless gaming mouse. An impressive, lightweight mouse with incredible gaming tech that makes this machine an absolute legend. So let's get into it. First thing we're greeted with is the mouse itself, which we'll set aside for a moment. Underneath, we'll find our LIGHTSPEED dongle and blank button cover, which we'll come back to. And we'll lift out this tray to find the USB-C cord for charging, and the extender for the LIGHTSPEED dongle. For more information on using the extender and other connection tips, be sure to check out our video on hooking up your LIGHTSPEED mouse. Lastly, we have some documentation and a quick start guide, which we'll set aside. Now, time for the peel. Nice. Here it is, sleek and smooth. At just 89 grams, it's impressive that this mouse is packed with premium features. Like our other 502X mice, this one is loaded with our LIGHTFORCE switches, which are hybrid optical-mechanical switches designed to provide you with a precise and reliable gaming experience. These switches have super clean actuation, and the ergonomic layout of the buttons keeps them all at your fingertips. And with macros and customizations in G-Hub, that makes this a powerful gaming tool. This DPI button where your thumb rests is configurable. You can reorient the button to face the other way, or you can replace it with this blank button cover to extend the grip surface. On the bottom of the mouse, here in the center, is our Hero 25K sensor, which delivers tracking accuracy at a sub-micron level. This puck below the sensor can be removed, providing a place where you can safely store the dongle if you're on the go. Together with the LIGHTFORCE switches, this mouse is crafted with the singular purpose of victory. I hope that covers what this mouse is all about, its rich feature set, and what comes in the box. Be sure to check out our Introduction to G-Hub video to see how to get the most out of your mouse. And lastly, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our support site linked in the description below. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.